Your daddies have bad characters. Like, why? Eyo. Recent events at the University of Calabar Teaching Hospital, UCTH, has raised very serious concerns about fairness, professionalism, and ethnic bias in Nigeria public institutions. Reports that 15 out of 17 doctors posted to UCTH for housemanship were rejected allegedly because they are Igbo are troubling and unacceptable in a country that claims to value unity and equal opportunity. Now, to properly understand why this situation is wrong, we must look at the facts. In 2022, the Southeast recorded the highest number of medical students admitted into Nigerian universities. The region had 1,836 medical students, higher than the Southwest with 1,311 and the South-South with 1,259. It is also a well-known fact that Igbos form a significant population within the South-South region. When you combine the Southeast and South-South figures, it becomes very clear that Igbos produce the largest number of medical doctors and health professionals in Nigeria. Did I stutter? I did not. When broken down by states, the pattern becomes even clearer. Since the beginning of JAMB records, Imo State has consistently ranked first in medical school admissions. In 2022 alone, Imo had 512 medical students, followed by Anambra 453 medical students, Abia 348, and Enugu 339. Even in the top 10 lists are Delta and River states, South-South states with large Imo population recording 298 and 247 medical students respectively. These are not opinions, they are documented facts. Facts do not change because they make people uncomfortable. Records going back more than 20 years show the same trend again and again, like repeated. Even internationally, this reality is visible. In 2016, reports circulated that 46 out of 97 doctors graduating from Harvard University were Igbo. Anyone who travels abroad will notice how many Nigerians, doctors and nurses working in Europe, North America, and other regions are of Igbo origin. This is not propaganda. It is the result of a long-standing emphasis on education, hard work, and sacrifice. Igbos are special breed. I don't want to attack the Efik/Ibibio people of Cross River State because they are our cousins. We have lived peacefully for centuries. Yes, there are skirmishes here and there, but the greatest ally of the Igbo people today in Nigeria are the Efik/Ibibio, the Aqua Cross cluster of tribes. My darlings, I took out time to read the comments on the update I made on this issue, and thank you all for the incisive contributions. Thank you. Dr. Felix Achibong, I will address you personally because you goofed big time. You are a medical doctor, but your wanton bias and arrogance to this issue is quite outrageous. Gosh, who raised you, sir? Come, you guys are not training your parents very well. Who's one thing I know from my... Your daddies have bad characters. Like, why? Hey, yo. I believe you know what it takes to be admitted as a doctor in Nigeria and also successfully graduate from the profession. We all know getting admission to study medicine and surgery in Nigeria is not easy or the tasking. Students from the Southeast study crazily because they need to score higher than others to be accepted into universities outside their states. It is very disturbing that Felix Chibong will reject doctors who have gone through years of intense study, passed all required exams, and were officially posted by the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria, MDCN, raises serious questions. Admission to study medicine and surgery in Nigeria is extremely competitive. Students from Alibo have to score much higher than others just to gain admission. especially outside their home states. And after passing through this stress, bingo from Calabar, we come to ruin their joy. Felix Nwachibong, it's wicked. Get a chakwa ganya dear, Dr. Mpuke, like he will be your jaw. I'm very sure you'll be a church worker. Check very well. Those kind of people. They're always deacons in church. On a wicked mind. Will be your jaw. Wicked. Hell, God forbid. Hey, what is this? Now, Doctor Okwa winch, no, as in a fefe. God forbid. Some of your fathers are evil. Evil. Dr. Felix, UCTH needed 50 students and only 17 were sent across your facility. You weren't worried that the quota for UCTH wasn't attained. Your concern was that almost 90% of the doctors were Igbos. Hi, Dr. Felix Achibong, you are a tribal bigot and a he-goat. Ewu man. Hi, you are a disgrace to the noble medical profession, and you can only try this nonsense, this rubbish you try because you are from Cross River States. You were asking what of Cross River? How many Cross Riverians were admitted to study medicine and surgery? How many ole? Calabar ole? Our young men and women will suffer and study assiduously and come out the best, and you will be angry they succeeded. What have you done to promote students from your state to study and apply for medicine and surgery and other medical courses? Imagine, I'm totally vexed. Makachi, if not for this contraption, you watch out for part 2. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.